Markets around the world dropped sharply today, but smart investors are already spotting the next opportunity. What really happened in the US, India, and Australia on the 20th of January 2026? Let's break it down. Hi guys, welcome back to Global Market Minutes, your daily dose of global market updates in simple, easy-to-understand language. Let's start with the US market. On January 20th, Wall Street ended lower as investors turned cautious. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq all saw selling pressure. The key reason was renewed geopolitical and tariff tensions, which pushed investors into a risk-off mode. When uncertainty rises, money moves out of growth stocks, especially tech, and into safer assets. Because of this, technology stocks struggled, while gold and safe haven assets gained strength. Keep an eye on large tech names and gold-related stocks. Any positive news on trade or inflation could quickly reverse sentiment. Now let's talk about India, where markets saw a sharp fall. The Sensex dropped over 1,000 points, and the Nifty slipped below 25,250, marking one of the weakest sessions in recent weeks. Why did this happen? First, weak global cues from the US. Second, foreign investors continued selling. And third, overall caution ahead of global economic and political developments. Most sectors were under pressure, especially IT stocks, private banks, and mid-cap shares. However, PSU banks showed relative strength, which tells us that defensive buying is still happening. Watch Reliance Industries, Infosys, and major banks like SBI and EC Bank. They often decide the market's next move. Moving to Australia, the ASX 200 also closed lower. Banks and mining stocks dragged the index down, following weak global sentiment. However, one sector clearly stood out: gold stocks. As global uncertainty increased, investors shifted towards precious metals. Gold miners and select defense-related stocks performed better and could remain in focus if volatility continues. Here's what you should watch closely now. Any updates on US trade and tariffs, foreign investor activity in India, gold and commodity prices, and upcoming global earnings announcements. Markets may be volatile, but volatility also creates opportunity. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Global Market Minutes, and comment which market you want me to cover in detail next. See you in the next update.